We're going to show you how to save a few pictures using Save to Google Drive today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the plus here. And we're in Google, but we're not in Google Images, so I like to come over to Images sitting right here. When we click on Images, we're going to go ahead and search on something that we like. I'm going to search on apples. I like apples lately. When I get it, I'm going to get lots of pictures of apples, and let's say I want to save this picture right here. You're going to put your mouse on it. You're going to two-finger click if you're on a Chromebook, and one of the options down here will be to save to Google Drive. You'll then come to Save Image to Google Drive. Now when you do this for the first time, hopefully we've already changed this, we will need to rename it. So I'm going to call it Apple, and I'm going to call it Apple number 1 and apply it. The second thing you're going to do is need to make sure that this says Pictures. If it says My Drive, then you need to change it. And you change it by coming over here to this button and then clicking on it. And then hopefully you will have a folder called Pictures. Okay, so then you will click on this and you will hit Select so that you will save all your pictures in there. Once this says Pictures right here, you can go up and X out of there, and you are back in Apples. Now, if I come over here to my waffle and I go to Drive, we're going to cross our fingers here that we have a picture folder. You can see that this was updated, but if I go in the picture folder, you're going to see, hopefully up here, that there will be an Apple picture that will eventually load up here, and I will be able to see it. Now, it's going to take a second for those to go load. Not sure if it's on the top or bottom, and sure enough, there is my Apple picture sitting right there. So that is how I save a picture. If I want to remove this picture, and you can see I've got a couple of these, so I'll delete one of these. You are going to two-finger tap. You have a remove button. Okay, you can two-finger tap, you can remove pictures, you can two-finger tap and remove pictures. So in that case, there is your Apple picture. If you're looking for another picture, go back to the plus. Come over to Images. I will then go golf over here. I will then find a picture of golf that I like. I kind of like this one. You can click on it, look at it. You will put your finger on it. You will two-finger tap or right-click. You'll go to Save to Google Drive. You will save the image. And again, now you'll see that Pictures is there, but I want to change the name. So I will call it Golf number 2. And I will hit Apply. Close this, and in a minute or two it will show up here in my Google Drive in my picture folder, and it might take a second or two, but it will eventually be there. That's how you use Save to Google Drive to save a picture. Enjoy.